Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the controls menu on this device. First, let me show you what I mean by controls menu. So, to open the controls menu, we need to press and hold the light button for a couple of seconds. And after a couple of seconds, the menu should appear on the screen. And this is the controls menu. Here we have different shortcuts for our functions on the watch, like power saving, power off, do not disturb and stuff like that. And we can customize this menu. To do it, go back to the home page, press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Scroll through the menu, find the option called Appearance, then press the Start/Stop, and here scroll down, select the controls, and press the Start/Stop. And right here we have the list of shortcuts on the controls menu. And we can do a couple of things. We can add new shortcut, remove the shortcut, and rearrange the shortcuts on the list. First, let's add the shortcut. So scroll all the way down, select the new option, add new, and then press the Start/Stop. And here you have the list of shortcuts you can add. For example, let's select the airplane mode and then press the Start/Stop. Now we can go back and the airplane mode should be on the list. Of course, you can add multiple shortcuts, or more than one, but for now we're gonna stick with only airplane mode. So we added the airplane mode. We can go back to the home page, open the controls menu, and here we have our airplane mode icon. Okay, let's go back to the appearance settings. Select controls. And now let's remove the icon. For example, let's remove the wallet. To do it, select it, press the Start/Stop, and then select remove and press the Start/Stop. And that's how you remove it. And now when we go to controls, you will see that the wallet is gone. And to reorder the apps, let's open the menu again and find the app you want to move. For example, first let's open the controls. Now let's find the app we want to move. For example, let's move the flashlight. So press the Start/Stop, select the reorder, and now we can move it by pressing the up and down buttons. Move it to the place you want it to be in, and then press the Start/Stop to confirm. And now when we go back to the controls menu, the flashlight will be right here where we placed it. Okay. You can also, I believe, open the editing menu by opening the controls menu and then pressing and holding the up/menu button, and this will open the menu. And here you can add controls, reorder controls, and remove controls. You don't need to go through settings and appearance. Okay, and that's how you customize the controls menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.